There's a huge empty space here. I believe like it can be a really market, huge market. There is few food vendors here, but not much. Something across the street again, I don't know. I have no idea what it is. Probably is a big restaurant or whatever. I have no idea. It is shiny, lot of lights, and it's gigantic place. Hey, my friend, what is that? Restaurant? Cross street? Restaurant? That's a restaurant? Okay. So according to this gentleman, it's a restaurant, but I'm sure he couldn't understand what I was saying. So anyways, let's carry on, guys. Look at this truck, guys. That's really clever. And I saw the same thing in Krabi too, guys. This is a barber car. It's just a truck, and there's only one seat, and he does his business. Look at it. That's really clever, man. Instead of paying rent, he has just renting the truck, and that's it. And I saw the same thing in Krabi too. It was really, really clever, you know. It's just like a food truck, you know. People that don't want to pay high rent, you know, you have just a truck, and that's it. Guys, I'm at the beach road, and I saw this. Seems to me there's a new event is coming up, Jazz Festival 2024. Probably I'm not gonna be here, but this is going to happen soon, I guess. Yeah. So obviously for next, like, I would say 2 weeks or maybe more, 3 weeks, is going to be a lot of event here, because obviously before New Year and Jazz Festival and so many other things. So we had a fire show here, and it was fantastic. Now there's a Jazz Festival, and I'm sure after that there's more event. So it seems to me the stage is gigantic, it's big, and still working on it. So see, guys, so that's a backstage, obviously. I'm at the beach road. Since today is my last night that I'm gonna walk around. Tomorrow 100% I'm gonna stay in, do my things, and get ready for my flight. So I thought to myself just to come and film as much as I could. So beach road is extremely busy, guys. This is the first time that I'm coming after for a while. But after, I believe, like a week or so. Last time when I was here, it was a fire show. Hello. Some people covering their face, I have no idea why. Even the guy that, it was a foreigner, just, I guess this guy is staying without visa here. Yeah, as usual, beach road is always busy, always crazy. And look at it. So obviously, even I believe now, here is extremely busy. Probably the walking street is very busy too. Let me see, let me take a look at the time. It is like 9 o'clock, but it is busy. Obviously Central Pattaya right there, that's a mall and Hilton Hotel right there. So if you want to stay at Hilton Hotel, I don't know how much is it, but obviously it's pricey. But the view is really fantastic. But obviously downstairs is always noisy, you know, because there's a mall and everything else. Guys, one thing that I gotta tell you, there is a lot of strange people living here. Yeah, for example, sometimes I come across these foreigners that they do like this, they cover their face. So this is the people that illegally staying here probably. That's why they don't want to be on camera. So I don't know, because that's very strange to me why they do that. So as I said, there's a lot of shit going on here. So it is not, you know, a lot of dramas.
What? No, no.
me home to the place I belong. As the day moves on by, take me home, come to home. I hear the Lord
You see guys, there's a lot of big clubs in North Pattaya and this is one of them. And comes with a huge parking. You see that guys? And seems to be just a local place. I don't know. But you won't see so much foreigners here. For example, I saw just one bar right there and it was like ton of girls sitting outside and waiting. But I don't see absolutely zero, zilch, nada, foreigners. I guess this is only Chinese and Korean area. See, there's another one here, but again, empty. And there's another one here. I'll show you guys. So there's a lot of options if you don't want to go somewhere that is, very crowded with Western tourists. I guess few of them are available here. There's another one here. I don't know what is this. I'm sure this is another club or something like that. Again, it is a gigantic parking spot. Like parking, they have a huge parking here. Another club right there, guys. A lot of girls sitting. I don't know what it is, but again, another strip club with a lot of girls outside waiting.